everyone, it's finally bike park season here in Minnesota. Riding at Spirit Mountain in Duluth today. Wildcat got reworked by Zenith Trail Contracting. They built Majumpolis over in Piedmont, so I already know it's gonna work well. Excited to check out the reworked Wildcat and continue testing out the Spire suspension. We'll see how that new tune works here at the bike park. Let's go over to the new Wildcat. New trail off to the right here. No idea what this trail's called. Maybe Upper Wildcat? Squirrel catcher, big drop. You can roll it. Awesome. I guess part of Wildcat's still closed.
Yeah, unfortunately.
If you don't quite make that bridge gap on your first go through, you probably don't have the speed for the double right after it. Really well built, really good speed check in that bridge gap if you don't touch those brakes. No brakes, clear the bridge gap, clear the gap after that. I think that was cleaner. I think I still micro cased it, and the dirt's pretty soft from it being brand spanking new today. Sick trail though. Can really trust the trail builders on that one.
Yeah.
Made it look easy. Like butter.
Yeah, it was actually really smooth.
Hey man, what's your name?
I'm Mason.
Thanks for the tow, Mason. Something's rattling on my bike. hit that pretty sketchily. My rotor's driving me insane. I feel like I normally go to the left and I took your right line and there's like a little more chunk before the drop.
Yeah, I definitely took the wrong line.
Got my money's worth out of the 63-degree head tube angle on that.
Yeah, you got what you paid for there.
Brake pistons aren't retracting fully when I'm off the brakes, and that's what's causing the rotor to scrape. So I just recentered the caliper and that didn't fix the rotor scraping. Oh, that's noticeably better. Blue trail, only at Spirit. Thought for sure on trail forks. This said it was open earlier today. Oh, one of my favorites, Rocky Roadie, was closed, so guess I'll do boot and steel toe. Bar check. Best that section has ever felt. Gonna take this single black diamond boot that most riders think is harder than the double black diamond steel toe to the left. I'm in too high of a gear already. I think that rider's left line would be an OTB if I tried it on the fuel. Never did try it on the fuel, obviously. Well, this bike's geometry feels right at home here. Thought Green Man was open on trail forks. Really wanted to try the new suspension tune on that tech trail. Yeah, that suspension eats. Go shift. Yo, what up, Mason? That's the most dangerous jump at Spirit. You just scrub a bunch of speed for it. Still haven't bottomed out my shock or my fork. Calculated risk and monkey business aren't open today, so I need to come back here when they are open. And if I still can't bottom out my suspension there, then I'm gonna finally take out volume spacers. The Fox factory suspension tuning life, it never ends. But it's feeling amazing. I'm almost there, I think. Thanks for watching.